Yo, what's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great, amazing graphics design tutorial. Well, the graphics design tutorial of today, it's all about the duotoning. And I'm sorry guys, I've been a little bit downwards when it comes to design tutorials because I've been a little bit occupied, and I think to my own kind of aspect, it's all about some tasks. I've been just tossing them out, like, you know, the client tasks. So I have just to drop them down so as we can continue with our schedule of uploading tech or design content as usually. Something else which I was thinking, let me know guys if you want the motion graphics tutorials, or you want the design tutorials, or you want that back-to-back thing which you're usually been doing. Like I throw that back-to-back session, like 3 videos in a week, the graphics design video, the tech video, and motion design video. So I was thinking about that, and I was actually supposed to shoot like a vlog explaining about something, but I've been a little bit lately occupied, and I think I'm gonna cover it on the next one. But the video of today, it's all about the breakdown of the duotoning by using only Photoshop actions. So for the people who don't want that kind of hassle of going here and there, this is the video for you. And for the people who want that kind of hassle, this video is for you too, because it shows you how you can make the duotoning. And I'm gonna break it down, each kind of duotoning, how it's been made and how it's been applied by using only Photoshop actions. Now, for further talking, let's get started. So guys, we are actually inside Photoshop, and something which is so great, I got my picture there, and this picture was taken by Uncle, aka Yuzo Nene. If you guys don't know about Yuzo, go and check him out on his Instagram account. He's blowing out using his camera tricks and stuff. Yuzo, he's really doing great when it comes on that. And something else, let's continue with our tutorial. Now, something which is so great about this, you can see guys, I have the Kingsley duotones. If you don't know about that, I usually make this kind of Kingsley Lutz pack, and I usually just share with you guys online. So this would be like a freebie if you want to download. All the links will be down below in the description, so as you can just use it on your project. So how it works is very easy. So you see, like, the first one is called perception. If I just click play, it will be applied on the perception, which is something which is so awesome. That's a great and amazing duotoning. So if you want to use that kind of duotoning and making it as a background, as you can see, my background has none, it's just a white color. So I prefer mostly having the duotoning overlay with the background too. So I'm gonna just Ctrl+J to duplicate that, and I'm gonna bring it down. You can see somewhere there, but it's actually overlay. Then I'm gonna change it to normal, so as they can just be on the same schematic, whereby the duotoning can work out very easily. And something which is so great, you're gonna change a lot of duotoning if you'd like. So like, I just don't want this, and I'm gonna just delete that and delete it. I'm gonna delete the black and white, and come on, I made a new layer. Delete that. Yes, boom, done. Deleting this one. So we are remaining with our only pick, and I think this one we should delete that. So we are remaining with our pick here, so we can make another duotone. So a bunch of duotone, watermelon, you name it, you can apply it. Boom, done. Which is something which is so awesome, which came with its own kind of background. You can see how much the background it is. Now you may be asking yourself, Abdul, how do we use this kind of stuff, right? This is how you're going to use them. I give you an example, like a text, and like a poster, or like something which you want to give out, like a message, which is duotoning is really working out so greatly. So I'm gonna say, like, you know what, Abdul Rahim 113. So I'm gonna keep my name there, and I'm gonna extend it just somewhere there up to somewhere here. So I'm gonna just break it down somewhere there, and I'm gonna use the properties so as I can align things to be a little bit more greatly when it comes to spacing. So I'm gonna bring it down somewhere up to here. So after somewhere there, I'm gonna just make the tick, and I'm gonna bring it somewhere here at the center. So if you look at it, you can see how much it has just overlaid, which is something which is awesome. So having something like this, it's really kind of great. You can play around with the font still and make it this 113 a little bit semi-bold to give it that kind of great differentiation of font typeface, and it's really sparking out. And even you can change the normal blending option to even overlay, so you can see how much it's overlaid there, somewhere there. It's just outburst that kind of content, that kind of picture, that kind of poster you want to just make it out. It's just making it to be so amazing. So I think to my own kind of aspect, the duotoning is really sparking mostly. Now I'm gonna not cover all of them, because if I'm gonna cover all of them, it's just the same scenario. But I think if I'm gonna leave it to you guys to play with them around, it's gonna be so much great and amazing. So as you can just try tangerine, you can try the smoky. It's somewhere here, it's smoke there, that's smoky. If I just apply smoke, it changes everything. You see, this is something which is so amazing. It gives it a different kind of perspective. You see, duotoning, they're really impressive when it comes to giving out a message or a certain content, as I was saying, guys. So it's up to you guys to play around with them, so as you can just get something which is so awesome on the field, to understand how much the duotoning they work. Now here's the thing, how much it's being broken down. Let me just get the layers somewhere here, so as I can just elaborate things here. So as you can see, guys, there is something like a brightness here on the layer, right? And there is a gradient overlay, and we have black and white. So all of these things, they are all in the adjustment. If you want to adjust anything, you can pop out here, and you can see this one has been created like a mask, something like a mask somewhere there. So it's really kind of impressive, like something like this one. You see the gradient map is somehow like that. It has been generated, so we're having the gradient overlay and the gradient map. So it's just like the same scenario have been just there, have been implemented there. So it's up to you guys to use it, or it's up to you guys, you know, to play around with it, as long as how much you want your duotoning to be captured. So that's it about this video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Is this something for you, or you're like, man, I'm just that kind of old school person who loves each kind of breakdown? But let me tell you something, guys, this is really impressive, because it saves, first of all, your time, and secondly, it's just give you more creativity when it comes to typeface, because after you have just selected the action, you play it, boom, done. Then the only thing which remains is you tossing some content like typefaces. You want to keep some shapes, you want to throw in some stuffs, you just keep them on the go, and they just bring out something which is so amazing. So I think you guys, you should just check it out. Links will be down below on the description, so as you can download it and use it on your workspace. It's all free. This is a free stuff, so come on, guys, what are you waiting for? That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate that. And something else, we're about to hit that 3,000 subscribers, man. I just don't know what to say, but you guys have been coming with me throughout the long journey. We have been together throughout a lot of things. We have overcome a lot of things, obstacles, you know, man, I cannot explain how much, but you guys have been always there. So what I'm gonna say, I'm gonna drop a good giveaway for you guys, so as you can just enjoy. And I think that giveaway is gonna target the graphics designers, the tech enthusiasm, the vloggers who loves vlogging, the people who loves podcasts, you know what I'm saying? All of you guys, you're gonna enjoy on this kind of giveaway. Just stay tuned, and if you're new, consider subscribing. It will be something which is so amazing. Last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos. Peace.